Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing my quick and easy go to night out glam look, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette for this. Now of course my camera had to cut out when I started this, but I put some tape down and then I took raw sienna, I think that's how you say it, and I ran that through my crease, and I did not set my crease before this, so just straight on there. Then to start with the definition, I went in with Love Letter, which is this really nice, like deep pink shade. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's not purple, but it is like magenta-ish in the same way. But I absolutely love this, and I'm taking this all the way from the outer corner and kind of almost where we took the transition. Then I'm taking Red Ochre. I literally don't know how to pronounce this, sorry, and I'm popping this on a really dense brush and putting this right on my outer corner just to really start defining that area, and then I'm just going to do a lot of blending. I also took some more of Love Letter because I didn't want any of the pink vibes to be lost in the look, so I just went over that again. And then more blending. Then on a pencil brush, I took Cypress Umber, which it doesn't actually look like a really dark shade, but it really is a very overpowering, not overpowering, but a very deep brown shade. Perfect. So I just put this on the outer corner only, and then I blended it back out so there was no harsh lines because no one wants that. Then for my favorite part, I'm taking my Metal Shock liquid eyeshadow stick thing, whatever you want to call it, from Essence. I don't really know what the shade is called. I'll have it linked down below, but they only have one pure gold shade. And this is just the best alternative to cutting the crease and putting gold eyeshadow down. I love these. I actually did a review on them, so I'll also have those linked down below, but I swear by these. This is my favorite thing ever. Then I'm actually taking Red Umber and Love Letter mixed together and popping that just on the edges to really soften it out, and so there's no harsh lines there. I'm then going in with my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner pen in black, and I'm just doing a simple winged eye. Then I'm just popping some mascara on before my falsies. Then for the lower lash line, I just took that combination of Love Letter and Red Ochre again and blended that through the crease and popped some mascara on it. Can't see it because I literally can never film this sort of stuff. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more looks using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, then let me know down below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!